Hello guys, this is Dimo from Adex. We're building a protocol for the ad industry. Basically what we're doing is we're trying to establish a protocol for the ad industry that relies on Ethereum blockchain technologies and payment methods. This is pretty much on the bottom. So on top of that we built a decentralized app that connects advertisers and publishers directly, eliminating the middleman. And of course the chains for fraud and false reporting and all that issues that the industry right now is experiencing. So yeah, that's pretty much what we're doing.
Yeah. So why blockchain? Why you are here? Why Ethereum?
Why Ethereum? Okay, the Ethereum blockchain is it's really developed and provides a set of tools that really help us to build whatever we're doing right now. Why Ethereum? Because the community is really established and it's a really strong community, and yeah, that's pretty much.
So, I'm coming from Turkey, and do you have a plan for operations from Turkey or another countries?
Yeah, of course. I mean, everyone is welcome. I mean, we're working with global brands. We're working with everyone. So, yeah.
So do you have open positions for remote
yeah, we
jobs?
do. And if you take this camera and and turn it over here, you see we're hiring right now, and we're looking for developers.
Yeah.
That are working with Rust. All right. So yeah, let's wait a little bit. So here we go. We're looking for developers that work with Rust and Go, and everyone is welcome to join us.
Okay, thank you very much.
Sure.
Hi there.
Hi.
How are you?
Well, fine and a little bit tired.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
One of the side events we're hosting is
Okay, so I work at ATIP. I'm the CTO and Chief Data Scientist. What we do is we create a platform that allows you to do transparent donations, so that you can track how money flows from essentially the donor to the beneficiary, to the merchant, and then back to the charity. In effect, what we do is we allow people to donate money. The actual fiat money goes to the charity, but we essentially create a digital asset that goes to the beneficiary. So the beneficiary and ourselves will advertise the money. The beneficiary can then use this asset to purchase some goods. So the asset might be good for buying groceries, or for buying utilities, or for something else, but it might not be good for buying alcohol or guns or drugs or whatever.
Yeah.
And this money, when they spend it at the merchant receives the digital asset, and they can redeem it back with the charity to get the actual fiat money back. And this allows us to have a journey of the actual assets, and to allow the beneficiaries to have peace of mind that their charity and the charitable donation has been spent well and has not gone missing.
Yeah. So, which kind technologies you are using for these operations?
So currently we're mostly using Hyperledger Fabric and Composer. Eventually we plan to use some Ethereum-based systems, probably not only for the identity aspect of the platform. And apart from on the non-kind of blockchain side, we use a lot of cloud-native technologies like Kubernetes. And we use, for programming languages, we use Python and Node.js, so we're looking always for developers.
Yeah.
So if you're interested in blockchain and the platform that we use, we're very willing to observe applications.
Yeah, sure. So why you are here for Devcon? Because you are using Hyperledger mostly.
So we want to look at the Ethereum community a bit more to learn what are the developments. The reason why we initially chose Hyperledger Fabric was the fact that it was permissioned, and because of the initial issues with scalability of Ethereum. Now we are seeing that some scalability issues are being solved, for example with Serenity and things like sharding and so on. So this becomes more promising for us to use, especially if we can use it in a permission way that is comfortable for the charities that we, and the governments that we work with to use.
Okay. Thank you very much. What is BlockAsset? What are you trying to do?
Right, so BlockAsset is a VC, which is sister company of Ocean Capital, and we focus on inclusive fintech companies. So A-Tech is one of them, inclusive fintech, as you know. Zonio is another one, which tokenizes telco airtime, so similar to M-Pesa. I'm actually from Longhash, so we're a global incubator.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we have offices right now in Shanghai. So headquarters is in Shanghai, and we're also in Tokyo, Singapore, Hong Kong. We just launched Berlin for Hackathon, and we're also in Zug.
Okay. Which kind of technologies in your operations?
What do you mean? What kind of technologies in the operation?
I mean, Hyperledger, Ethereum.
So we are blockchain agnostic.
Yeah.
So we want, well, of course, we really like Ethereum. We like to support the community. Really embrace the spirit of decentralization. But we want to be, broader than that, because I mean there are even solutions, for example, which are not necessarily built on blockchain, right? So it might be related to blockchain. For example, you're talking about an anti-money laundering platform. Then you run full nodes of different blockchains, and you trace the movement of the funds. It's not strictly built on blockchain, so I think the scope of it can be really wide.
Yeah.
We're also global, so
Yeah.
I mean, if you're looking for a position in Berlin, we're hiring. In Zug, we're hiring, and many of the projects that we know are also hiring for remote work as well. Yeah. So projects are always looking for developers.
Hello.
Hello.
Who are you?
My name is Griffin. I'm a developer relations person for Colony. So I represent the Colony project. And Colony is a platform for open organizations that work sort of like a cooperative. So the idea is that the amount of ownership and influence that you have in an organization should be proportional to the amount of work that you do for the organization. So Colony has a platform where you can create tasks, you can direct your work through the organization, and you can attach tokens to those tasks, and people can work on them. And when the people work on the tasks, they get paid out with the tokens, and then they also receive some amount of reputation. And the reputation is what grants you things like dividends. So if the Colony makes money every month or whenever it wants to, it can send out rewards to its members, and the reward you get is proportional to the amount of work that you've done for the organization. So that's it in a nutshell. We also do a lot of open source developer tools. So we have a wallet library, a universal Ethereum wallet library. We have a smart contract interface for any smart contract. So you can create a JavaScript app that integrates with smart contracts. So you don't have to go through like MetaMask or something to do these functions. You can just write the code and bring it into your app. So yeah,
that's cool.
I guess one job that you could do is we're doing our bug bounty program right now.
Yeah.
So we've just launched our platform on Rinkeby testnet. So we have up to $20,000 in bounties for security vulnerabilities. If you discover a bug, you can submit it either privately or over GitHub and we will evaluate it. And if it's found to be a legitimate bounty, we can pay you up to $20,000. And Colony's also always hiring, so you're a very talented smart contract programmer or front-end distributed database. We're always looking for team members, and even things like marketing. So